Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix your Ford Fiesta radio. We will start by addressing the most common culprits behind a non-working car stereo. Often, a simple check of the power supply can resolve many issues. It is important to approach this systematically, ensuring you cover all the basic troubleshooting steps before considering more complex solutions. This guide aims to provide a clear, step-by-step process for getting your radio back in working order. A common reason for a dead radio is a blown fuse. You will typically find the fuse box either under the dashboard, near the glove compartment, or in the engine bay. Consult your owner's manual to pinpoint the exact location and identify the fuse labeled for the audio or radio system. Carefully remove the old fuse and replace it with a new one of the exact same amperage, usually a 10 ampere or 15 ampere fuse, to restore power. If the fuse is intact, a system reset can often resolve minor electronic glitches. To do this, locate your car battery and carefully disconnect the negative terminal. Leave it disconnected for about 5 to 10 minutes. This process allows the vehicle's electrical system to fully discharge and reset. After the waiting period, reconnect the negative terminal securely. This simple step can often clear software errors and restore radio functionality. Should the previous steps not resolve the issue, the problem might lie with the wiring. Carefully remove the radio unit to inspect the wiring harness for any loose or damaged connections. Ensure all plugs are securely seated. If the radio still does not work after checking the wiring, it is best to seek assistance from a qualified automotive technician. Complex electrical problems require specialized tools and expertise to diagnose and repair safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.